Hi, I'm Eric Suarez with Earl W Johnston Roofing. The main reason that I love iRoofing is because it saves me time. My three favorite features are that it allows me to measure a roof remotely, it compiles all of your calculations for you in an easy to read and share report, and it keeps all of your customer information in one easily accessible platform. One big way that iRoofing has helped our business is by helping cut down on measurement errors and improving our estimate accuracy. iRoofing has impacted the way we interact with our customers by, in a time where we're facing the difficulties of the COVID pandemic, it's offering us an avenue to providing a virtual estimate. I highly recommend iRoofing for anybody in the roofing industry.